Hello, boys and girls. We are on Chapter 9, Lesson 4, and we are comparing shapes, looking at shape attributes, and we will sort them and decide on what attributes they have, how many sides, how many vertices, and that sort of thing. So, up top here, I have some shapes. I have a rectangle, a square, a circle, and a triangle. And here we need to decide which fence post they go on. So on the left fence post, they're asking for shapes that have four sides. So I went ahead and drew them for you. We have a rectangle. A rectangle has one, two, three, four sides. And a square also has four sides. On our right fence post, we want shapes that are less than four vertices. So remember, vertices are the points, the corners of the shape. So a triangle only has three, so that's less than four. And a circle has zero, and that's less than four. So those are our shapes that go on the right fence post. Go ahead and draw those if you haven't already. Okay, on the back side, the see and show, it says you can compare and sort two-dimensional shapes. Circle the shapes that have straight sides. So both a triangle and a rectangle have straight sides. Circle the shapes with more than three vertices. So a square has four vertices. We want to circle that. And a rectangle has four vertices. That's more than three. But a triangle only has three. Three is not more than three. That's why we don't circle it. Circle the shapes described. So number one, shapes with four straight sides. Does a square have four straight sides? Yes, circle it. Does a circle have four straight sides? No. Does a rectangle? Yes. We're looking for four straight sides. Four straight sides? Yes. Four straight sides? No. So we only circle the squares and the rectangle. Number two, shapes with three vertices, so three corners. This triangle, this triangle. Does this have three? No, this has four. Triangle, and a circle has none. Number three, shapes with four sides the same length. What shape has four sides that are the same? Is a rectangle? Are all sides the same length? No, right? We have two long and two short. But a square has four the same length. What about a circle? No. And we know a triangle only has three. Okay, this one. Shapes with three sides and three vertices. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. All right. How do you compare two-dimensional shapes? So like on this page, we compared shapes that have the same number of sides, or we can compare shapes that have the same number of vertices. Okay, on my own. So this might be a little tricky because it requires you to read. So if reading's a struggle for you, go ahead and do it with me. If you know how to do this, you can pause the video, do it on your own, and then check your answers with us. Number five, circle or shapes with zero vertices. Which shapes have no vertices? That's right, circles have no vertices. So let's circle the circles. Number six, shapes with four sides. We can just go through quickly and count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, so we just take the clues and we search and circle. Number seven, shapes with straight sides. Does this have a straight side? Yes. Does this sign have straight sides? Yes. Does this lemon have straight sides or orange? I'm not sure. No, right? What about a xylophone? Yeah, those are straight. Number eight, shapes with zero vertices. A button has no vertices, right? A nickel has no vertices. And the bowl of dog food, no vertices. Number nine, shapes with zero straight sides. That's right. The clock and the cookie. Now this one they tried to trick you. The shape is a square. The image inside has no straight sides, right? Okay, number 10, shapes that are not curved. So curved would be lines like this, right? So if they're not curved, they're like this. So which shapes are not curved? This one is not curved. This one is not curved and not curved. Good job, boys and girls. On the back side, Madeline sees these objects in her school. How many of these objects have more than 3 sides? Does this have more? No. Does this have more? Yes, that looks like our clock, doesn't it? Does this have more than 3? No. Does this have more than 3? Yes. Checkerboard? Yes. So let's make sure we answer the question. How many of the objects? So how many? 1, 2, 3. You're doing great, boys and girls. Hot problem. Circle all of the same type of shapes. Explain. Which ones would you like to do? Good job. All of the triangles. How are they the same? What attributes do they have that are the same? That's right. Triangles have 3 sides, 3 vertices, and straight lines, right? So you can write all of those attributes here, or you can write one of them. I'm going to write a couple of them. So triangles all have 3 sides, comma, 3 vertices, and straight lines. All right, my loves, in today's lesson, we looked at how we can compare shapes and sort them into their attributes. Remember, attributes are things that they have like sides, vertices, and straight lines or curved lines. All right, for homework today, you're going to read the clues and circle the shapes that match the clues just like we did in our classwork today. And on the back side, they give you real life objects. Same thing, read the clues, circle the objects. Number 7, draw a shape that has 4 vertices and 2 pair of sides that are different lengths. Interesting. All right, and then do your practice test question. When you're done, show up here and have them check your work. Great lesson today, boys and girls. I'm proud of you.